Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm glad you clicked on this video and I hope you watch it until the end. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I make wraps, and if you like, you can make them too. My hubby helped me cut the chicken into small cubes, then I spiced it to my liking and cooked it until golden brown.
Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my hands without an alibi.
While the chicken was cooking, I went ahead to make kachumbari, or if you like you can call it guacamole. I used tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, dania, and later on I added avocado so that it cannot turn black.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I also warmed the tortilla wraps and added a little oil so they can brown a bit.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying
On the tortilla wrap, I added tomato sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, chicken and guacamole, then folded the wrap and put in a toothpick so that it cannot unwrap.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know.
This is how they turned out. They were so yummy and we enjoyed them.
Wondering why you let me die alone inside. I die for you.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.
For you. Tell me why you let